Hi, I'm Jessie. I am answering some questions for my social media and emerging tech course, which is LED 518, and we're in week 4 assignment. And the question is to identify inauthentic contributions in one or more of your news feeds, which would be Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, or other online news media resources you use. I really just use both the Instagram and Facebook accounts. I've found more pictures on my Instagram account. There's one picture that I thought that was interesting. I was not able to find any videos, and I don't know if it's because, or partially because, I was reading this article from CNN Business called "The Pentagon's Race Against Deepfakes," where people actually have started to develop software to determine the deepfakes. And they're doing that by both analyzing pictures and then also voices as well. And so I think it's hard for humans, for us to detect on our own sometimes, which is kind of scary. The picture that I found was a photo that was photoshopped to have both Michael Jordan and LeBron James playing basketball against each other in their prime ages. This obviously isn't possible. Michael Jordan played from 1984 through 2003, where he took 2 breaks in between there, where LeBron James started his career in 2003 until now. He's still in his career. It's obvious that the 2 pictures of the players were real, but obviously photoshopped together, as if they were playing basketball with each other. It also looks like there's a signature on it, which looks like it's a piece of artwork. The potential harm, and I don't think this is the intent of the author, but it could be, is that the person, somebody might want to buy the painting thinking that it's real, and, whatever it sells for would be a loss, as it's fake. And then for this picture, with Michael Jordan and LeBron James, I believe the intent of the author was to show that the 2 players are equally great. Many people compare LeBron James to Michael still. Beyond that, I'm not sure of any other intent. And then what would I do ethically to, take down a deep fake? Obviously, this is a picture and doesn't really need to be taken down, but if it were a video that I found on any social media platform, I would obviously make sure that I identified it and it actually truly is a deep fake. And then I would remove the post, or get the platform to remove the post, and then share the finding with other social media platforms as well, and suggest that they do the same, so that this video that is fake doesn't spread any further.